Hi there, my name is Keshwani, that's K-E-S-H-W-A-N-I, Keshwani. In these clips that I've been putting on the YouTube, I have been solving problems, math problems that appear in this book, the official SAT study guide. You should have one, you should purchase one if you don't have one, either from me or from any of the bookstores. The problem that I'm about to solve appears in exam number 4, section 2, page 587, question number 18. One of the last 7 questions, and I emphasize the last 7 is because those are supposed to be hard ones, because there are 20 questions in the sections. This is one of the last third. Not only is one of the last third, one of the last 7, it's actually one of the last 5 questions. It's supposed to be very difficult questions, but you will see actually just now that it's all about thinking. It's not about math. It's not a complicated, it's a geometry question, but it's not a very complicated geometry. It's a very simple geometry. The concept that they're testing here is the fact that the sum of the angles in a triangle is 180. That's all they're testing in the entire problem. Let's see. You just have to go systematically and logically. Let's begin. If after watching the clip you decide that you like what I have to offer, it is helpful, and if you wish to purchase the DVD which contains the solutions to all the math problem in this particular section, section number 2 of exam number 4, write me an email and I'll take care of it. Or if you wish to hire me in person for private tutoring, which I do, again contact me. I'm in Connecticut. But of course that does not prevent me from going anywhere in the globe, as long as I always say, as long as we can come to some agreement. Let's begin. Blast, this bloody thing is still hot. Let's start. The very first thing you should notice here, it says the picture is not drawn to scale. So which means you shouldn't pay too much attention to what is being shown, you should pay attention to what is being said. Let's start. I'm going to draw the picture as best as I can. Even though it's not drawn to scale, we still need the picture. Let me use the black pen. It'll be easier for you to see. I'm sorry, sometimes I get too close to the camera and can be helped. And that's all that is there. Everything else we have to figure out and analyze it. So let's begin. The very first statement it says is, in the picture above, AB equals BC. AB equals BC. Right here, this guy, AB, equals BC. What do you surmise from that? Look up these 2 words and learn them. Surmise, infer. What do you get out of it? What do you people usually use the word conclude. Conclusion is the right. It's not the right word in the context. Inference is the right word in the context. What do you infer from it? What's your inference when I tell you that AB equals BC? Well, you should immediately infer that these 2 angles, angle A and angle C, must be equal. So I'm going to make a note here. Since AB equals BC, angle A must equal angle C. And as I go through it, I will need some more room probably, and I will have to erase everything. But it's okay. It's a video clip. You can go back and watch what I erased if you wish to go back. If you wish to see it again, just rewind it. So angle A equals angle C. What else do I know? I also know that ABC is 30. ABC is 30. So that helps a lot. Because I still don't know what they're asking for, but that's okay. I'm never in a hurry to read the punchline. The punchline is what I refer to is the portion of the problem where the question is actually asked. And so on and so forth, this and that, is raining today, yesterday it was this much, how old is Michael? Well, how old is Michael is what they're asking actually, that's your punchline. I still don't know what the punchline is here. But I do know that this is 30, so I'm going to use this information right away. If angle B is 30, it implies that the sum of angle A and sum of angle C must be 150. Angle A and angle C must be 150 if this guy is 30. Which also implies that angle A equals angle C and they both equal 75. So I'm going to make a note here. This is 75 and this is 75. Now we are getting someplace. We are also told that the measure of BDE is 50. Where is BDE? BDE is 50. So let me write that down in a different color. I'm going to put it in red color. BDE is 50 right here. Let's keep going. What's the question? What is angle DFA? And again, you have to have the book in front of you because otherwise you can't really follow my pictures by looking at the video. It's going to be very annoying. Open the book, to turn to this page and have this book, the problem in front of you as you're watching the clip. It will make much more sense to you. DFA. DFA, we are told, is 50. So let's make a note here. This guy is 50. Oh, sorry. That's not it. That's not what it gave us. That's what we have to find out. BDE. BDE. Oh, I already put it down. That's okay. Question is, what is this guy? Well, let's take a quick look. Let me see how I'm doing so far. Well, let's take a look. We're going to go systematically and logically. I need to find out this angle. Well, I already know this angle. If I can figure out somehow this angle, I'm home free. Because if I can figure out angle ADF, this angle right here, then this plus this, taken from 180, should be that answer. So let's see if I can figure out this angle somehow. What else do we know? There must be something else that we know. Oh, I left out something very important. I don't know how that happened. It also says that DE, well, I read the part AB equals BC in the beginning, but somehow I skipped over the second part, which is says DE equals DE. Let's see if I can find right here. DE equals EF. Wow, it looks like an isosceles triangle. Equals DF. Oh, what do you know? It's an equilateral triangle. That makes life much easier. If this triangle DEF is an equilateral triangle, that makes it very simple. That means this angle is 60. This is 60, that is 60, and that is 60. Not that we are interested in these two, we are not interested in those two. We are only interested in this one. So if this is 50 and this is 60, that's 110. How much do you suppose this is? Well, must be 70 degrees. If my arithmetic is correct. So let's find out that angle then. Oh, I think we're done. That's it. Very simple. Angle DFA that they're talking about. DFA. Angle DFA has to equal 180 minus 70 minus 75. There you go. That should be 35. Answer is B. That's all there is. Nothing to it. And I hope you realize where I got the 70 from, because we are told that this angle is equilateral. DEF is an equilateral triangle, therefore each of the angles inside is 60 degrees. If each of the angles is 60 and we know that this is 50, so this is very simple to find out. So there were two things we had to do. We had to figure out this angle and that angle. This angle was very easy because this is 30 and these two sides are equal, so these are 75. Anyway, I hope you found it helpful, and I'll see you in the next clip. In the meantime, send me an email, tell me what you thought about this clip, and also if you need to purchase the book, or if you wish to buy the DVD which contains the solution to the problems on all the problems in section number 2. You can purchase the DVD from me, all the math problem in this section, section number 2, or if you wish to hire me for a face-to-face private tutoring. I'm located in the state of Connecticut in the US. Thank you again.